Okay, now open your index.html file. From here create a basic HTML format, travel site. From here add the link of our CSS that we are going to make by using command prompt. Go to your PowerShell. Now change the directory cd, change directory to desktop. Now we are on system32. Now we are on C drive. cd users tab, name of your user, in my case it is Sion, that's my name, desktop. Now we are on desktop, dir. Let's see how many folder or file we have on our desktop. We have travel site. We need to go to travel site, so cd travel site, cd, go to style folder, styles, run the command sass watch style.scss. It will convert to style.css. You see compiled style.scss to style.css. Let's see how does it happen. It make a new file that is style.css automatically, but nothing in there. Let's make a style, body p0 tab m0 tab. Save it and open style.css once again. You see body style is added also here. In case you are not familiar with command prompt, you can't run this command, then what you need to do, just cut it, Ctrl C, open your Visual Studio Code extension. You need to install this extension, live Sass compiler. Just